Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have credentials and the FortiClient installer. Start now by installing FortiClient and granting network permissions. Once installed, open the Remote Access module and choose SSL VPN or ISEC based on your profile. Enter the server FQDN or IP, set the correct port if non-standard, and save the connection profile. Make sure device time is accurate and any required certificates are trusted so the handshake succeeds. This prevents common TLS failures and speeds initial connection. You now select the saved profile and initiate the session, enter credentials, and complete any MFA challenge immediately. If using ISEC, ensure the pre-shared key matches exactly and that Phase 1/Phase 2 proposals align with the VPN gateway. Mismatched algorithms block negotiation. Once authentication starts, monitor the FortiClient log pane for clear messages. Seeing Phase 1 and Phase 2 negotiation or TLS handshake confirmation tells you why the tunnel forms. If needed, toggle connection type and retry with exact parameters. You should now confirm access by pinging internal IPs, resolving internal DNS names, and browsing intranet pages. If resources fail, check FortiClient logs for error codes and enable verbose logging if needed. Then check local firewall and split tunneling settings to ensure traffic routes through the tunnel. If connection repeatedly fails, recheck certificate trust, device time sync, and server-side access policies. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched time or untrusted certs are the most common root causes, so fix those first and reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.